Hey, it's Scott Young here. In this video, we're asking the question and answering the question, why use solo ads? Now, people are making a ton of money off solo ads, right? So the obvious answer is we use solo ads so that we can make a ton of money too, right? Well, hold on there, my friend. Let's take a little deeper dive into solo ads to answer that question. When I started out in affiliate marketing, solo ads were one of the first traffic methods that I came across. And I saw the testimonials about how much people were making with them. And I saw how easy it was to order up solo ads. So I went ahead and I dumped a bunch of money into solo ads. And it did build up my email autoresponder list with a bunch of subscribers. But here's the thing, none of those subscribers, none of those leads actually really turned into sales. None of them turned into profits for me. And so it wasn't really until I found a really good training program and got with a mentor that taught me everything I needed to know about affiliate marketing. And I learned why not to use solo ads. So what are solo ads? Maybe let's cover that first real quick. So solo ads are just advertisements in other people's email list in which you are the sole thing being advertised, right? So let's say you find a solo ad provider who's got an email list of, let's say, 10,000 people, 10,000 emails. Well, that solo ad provider is going to write a kind of salesy, real enticing email, and he's going to put your affiliate link or the link to your landing page or your capture page right in that email, and that's going to be the only link that's in that email. Then they're going to blast that email out to their 10,000 subscribers, or maybe less, depends on how many clicks they're getting out of it. And your link is going to be clicked on over and over and over again until it gets to the number that you bought. So let's say you bought 200 clicks. They're going to keep sending those email subscribers that email over and over again until they get 200 clicks that you paid for. And this is all automatically tracked in software programs. So it sounds really awesome. Ordering solo ads is super easy. You don't even have to write the email because the solo ad provider writes the email, and it's as easy as clicking a button and you start getting traffic to your capture page. And reality is, as I experienced, you do fill up your subscriber list. I built up a pretty good sized list through solo ads, but there's one huge problem, one huge drawback to this. And it's this, that the leads from the solo ads never converted into sales. And this is why many solo ad providers are sending emails out to their list 3 or 4 or more times per day. And in fact, many of their leads or subscribers are not only on their solo ad list, but they're on other solo ad vendor lists as well. So these poor people are getting, dozen or more emails per day with sales offers in them. So the people on these lists are really exhausted of getting emails, at least mentally, and they're jaded about the whole sales process. And in fact, they're sort of numb to the sales offers that they're getting in their email all the time. Sadly, they rarely get anything of real value in any of these emails that are coming through from the solo ad vendors, like tutorials, training, and tips about affiliate marketing. It's really just one enticing email after another that's just engineered to get clicks so that the solo ad provider can, fulfill the clicks that you ordered. So this leads to really low email open rates when you get these people as your subscribers, because they're totally exhausted of getting emails. And the conversion rate is tremendously bad. It's below 1% normally on these solo ad leads that you get. And then what's worse is that you are now adding them to your email subscriber list, and now you're sending an email to them every day or every other day. And that just adds to the barrage of dozens of emails that they're already getting. So your email doesn't really stand out from the noise of the crowd because they're already getting tons of emails anyway. And in the end, because the subscribers are such low quality, you're unlikely to convert enough of those leads into sales to actually pay for the expense of the solo ads themselves. And believe it or not, some solo ad providers will actually purchase through your affiliate links to make it look like you got sales through their solo ads. And let's say you spent $500 and you got 500 clicks from the solo ad vendor and you made $200 worth of sales. You're like, woohoo! I'm going to order 1,000 next time, and maybe I'll get more sales and such. And so it's sort of this cycle that they try to get you in so that you'll order more and more solo ads, and they'll kind of pump up your sales a little bit to keep you going. Now, I don't doubt that there are a few people out there that can grind out a profit using solo ads, But the reality is that the conversion rates are going to be so low that it's rare to be able to cover the expense of the solo ads themselves, much less rare to actually generate a six-figure income with this type of traffic source. But I've found way more success with specific free traffic methods that actually provide value to my leads, and I build relationship with my leads, and this converts at about 8 to 10%. If you want to learn more about how I do that, I'm going to put a link in the description below this video, and you can learn more about the training and mentorship program that I went through that helped me get on the path to a six-figure income. So no pressure, check it out, see what you think, but it's a great alternative to solo ads. All right, take care.